Good morning, Potter's Guild. Hey, all right, we're gonna learn about our new digital scales. We keep the scientific boat on top, the stainless steel boat. Don't put it inside the box because then it messes with the scale a little bit. Here, as you'll see on the box, it says digital scale 1,000 gram batch. This scale will weigh up to 1,000 grams, but the boat weighs about 160 grams. So really what you're gonna end up weighing is just about 850 grams of dry weight. And place the scale inside our spray booth. All you have to do now is turn the scale on. But I want to make note of something that's really important. This scale has feet that can be adjusted. And that's really important because you're going to have to level the scale each time before you start to use it. All right, so we've let the scale warm up just a minute or two, and you can see we're at 0.00. Now let's look at the level bubble here. Maybe there. All right, so I'm gonna raise the back legs to see if I can get that bubble in the center. Now you can see the bubble is in the center. There the bubble's not. There the bubble is in the center. Hey, thanks for coming. We've done it. There are a few more important things to talk about with this scale. It is very sensitive. You can weigh up to 0.00 grams of your material. But this scale is so sensitive that if you were to use the fan while you're weighing materials, your weights will be off. So we keep the fan off until we're done weighing, and then to clear the air, you can turn the fan back on and clear the air.